Hello, Brandon here, Alicia. We got a Pinchme box. If y'all don't know, you go to pinchme.com, you sign up, you select the stuff that you're interested in or that you use, and they send you free stuff in the mail, and all you gotta do to get more is just review it on pinchme.com, and they'll keep sending you free stuff. You just gotta go to pinchme.com and add stuff to your basket, and they mail it out within it takes 3 to 5 weeks to get it in the mail. So, but this anyways, it's not sponsored, but it's 1.5 pound box. It's actually pretty big. But yeah, so this is what's inside a Pinchme box. I recommend go sign up. Go pinchme.com and get yourself a profile, because stuff is free, you know? You can't go wrong there. A long time since I used this. Anyways, I actually got a real knife this time instead of my hand. So, ow, okay. And that's my dog Buster playing with his most annoying toy in the world, but he loves it. America. Street speed knife. Woo. Never win anything, but you know. All right. You always get something like this, which I don't really care about. Hello Fresh meal, your first box plus first box shipped for free, but you always gotta anyways. All right. And then the last thing that's in this box. See, this is what I'm telling you. For free. This big bottle of Head and Shoulders bare ingredients shampoo. Yeah. Expires 11/2024. 13.5 ounces. I mean, it's a big bottle, and it's completely free. You don't pay for shipping or nothing. It actually smells pretty good.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get 5, 6, or 7 things in the mail, but this time we got 2 things. But this was a separate box from other stuff that I put in my cart. It was like an extra freebie kind of thing, so they only sent a bottle of shampoo. But still, I mean, you can't go wrong with free shampoo. It doesn't cost you a dime, literally. So, bottle of Head and Shoulders shampoo, which let me see your phone. See how much this cost. Let's try Walmart. We're gonna scan it with the Walmart app. Dang. This bottle cost $9.97. So $10 free bottle of shampoo. Free shipping, everything. It's crazy. So that's a win. And then if you're rich or whatever, you can, sign up for this stuff. But hey, there's a free code for you. Hey, okay. Anyways, and you get free packing, which she has a business that she does. So, and you get a free box to pack stuff in. So, anyways, but yeah. Let us know if you like this video by, hitting the like button. Till next time, just take it easy and see you later.
Bye.